Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus attached to the iAudi EZ1 Touch 2 smartphone dash mount, 4K 60 frames per second. And when you're shooting in 4K 60 frames per second, no optical image stabilization. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. I got the windows rolled down, music playing. I'm chit-chatting with all of you. Yeah, just let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. I uploaded a video, 4K 60 frames per second in the dark, yesterday. A lot of you really liking what you're seeing with the S9 Plus and shooting video in 4K. I mean, not a lot of us are going to be shooting video in 4K, but we really love the way it looks when we have the ability to have that option and you do want to utilize it. Yeah, you want to know if it's going to look good? I mean, 1080p 60 frames per second looks great. 1080p 30 frames per second looks great. Can't go wrong. Yeah, and you got 2K as well. But I mean, it's here, so why not use it from time to time? But I know not everybody's going to utilize that, right? I know that. Turn down the music a little bit there. I'm at 1 minute and 45 seconds with the 5-minute time limit that I get in shooting video in 4K, 60 frames per second. But we do these video tests, well, I do them, but I know a lot of other YouTubers do them, to at least try to get as much information out in whatever area we're reviewing on any smartphone we bring in. For me, I like to cover the cameras a lot, especially when I'm vlogging, whether it's looking out my car windshield or you're looking at me and I'm using the front-facing cameras to vlog and share whatever's on my mind with all of you. But totally digging this device, digging my experience, loving what I'm seeing with the cameras. There is some focus editing issues going on with the front-facing camera shooting video. I'm going to be working on that. And during the live stream, a lot of you were saying that was a YouTube thing, that it wasn't the device itself. But I hadn't had really any issues up until that day when I did that live stream. So I don't know. I'll be shooting another video using the front-facing camera, and we'll see how it goes. A little focus hunting isn't a deal breaker, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Let me know how everything looks, especially with the windows down. That video I did in the dark, I did edit in some music, so you didn't get to hear the raw sounds of what you're hearing right now. I'm purposely doing this just so you can let me know how everything sounds, because usually the windows are up. I turn down the music and, for the most part, you're just listening to me, but I think you should hear all the sounds for what it is when I'm shooting a video and doing a test like I am right now. So, yeah, that's it, man. Let me know down below the quality of the audio and the visuals. 4K 60 frames per second, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on this partly cloudy day. Some sunshine here and there. A little chilly out. But that's it. I'm done talking. Till the next video, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. Peace. God bless. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. And remember, whatever's on your mind, leave it down below. Whatever you want to talk about. Whatever you want to share.